walang iba kundi ikaw. Laging minamahal kita.
Unang kita pa lang sa'yo ay nabihag mo. Sa ngiti mo na kahit tumis ay naakit ako. Araw-araw kitang iniisip, kasama ka hanggang sa panaginip. Bakit nga ba ang puso'y di mapigil na umibig sa'yo? Yun ka nahanap ko sa tuwina, yun ka sa pinagpapaligaya kapag nag-iisa. Yun ka dito ka lang sa puso ko. Kung ito'y pag-ibig na takot ay di nadama, dito ka lang palagi sa aking tabi. Lahat kayang harapin kung dito ka lang.
Baby, won't you tell me why there is sadness in your eyes? I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion. I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. You're the one who set it up. Now you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now. Now you want me to forget every little thing you said, but there is something left in my head. Habang tumatagal, tumitindi ang tama ko sa'yo. Tinatanong ko ang aking sarili at kung anong sikreto mo. Binihag mo ang puso ko, ito kulang na lang ay alipinin mo. Sumisigaw ang aking damdamin, pakinggan mo. Mahal na mahal na mahal kita, sinta. Pag-ibig ko'y maaasahan mo. Mahal na mahal na mahal kita, sinta. Hindi ako magbabago. Pag-ibig ko ito'y para sa'yo. Sana ay hindi na magwakas, bagkus tuloy sa pagbuhos. Pag-ibig sana ay wag na matapos, tuloy-tuloy sa alipin mo. Sumisigaw ang aking damdamin, pakinggan mo. Mahal na mahal kita, sinta. Pag-ibig ko'y maaasahan mo. Mahal na sa Paskong darating, nais ko'y ikaw pa rin ang aking kapiling, at sa mga araw pang darating, walang ibang hinihiling. Pangarap ko'y ikaw pa rin.
I dedicate my life to you. You know that I will die for you. That our love will last forever. And I will always be with you. And there is nothing we can do as long as we're together. I just can't live without you, and I want you to know I need you like I've never needed anyone before.
Promise ko, nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Hindi magbabago basta magtiwala lang sa isa't isa. Kapag may problema ka, sabihin mo sa akin. Dahil ang problema mo, problema ko na rin. At lagi kang mag-iingat kahit hindi tayo nagkakasama. Tandaan mo, ikaw at ikaw lang ang buhay ko. Mahal na mahal kita.
I must be crazy now. Maybe I dream too much. But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ear words that are old as time, words only you would hear. If only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. Should have made my move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause by now I know that you'd feel the way that I do. And I'd whisper these words as you'd lie here by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These three words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of So today I finally find the courage deep inside just to walk right up to your door. body can't move when I finally get to it, just like 1,000 times before.